What is up, guys? We just wrapped up our first 2-day full immersion workshop with the best group ever.
We were so excited to share abundance of information on day 1 and day 2. We went to projects at all phases. Check out this recap.
Oh, you gotta.
Hi, I'm Joy. I am from Oahu. I have zero real estate experience before this. I own a fitness studio, learned about Kamahaya and Tristan, and had to do this 2-day immersion. I thought it was an incredible, valuable experience. I am ready to rock and run through walls, and it's all thanks to them. They're super authentic and great, and I would recommend this course to anybody and everybody who has the right heart.